Image Skincare Clear Cell Clarifying Salicylic Blemish Gel is the perfect targeted treatment if you are trying to control those constant breakouts and you also want to control the new breakouts. The formulation in the Image Skincare Clear Cell Clarifying Salicylic Blemish Gel is a powerful active treatment, and it targets existing acne blemishes but also helps to prevent those new breakouts as well as blackheads and the whiteheads. It has 2% salicylic acid, and this is used to penetrate the pores where the acne and the breakout form. Over time, the natural ginger and the cinnamon bark reduce the pores, and then Australian pepperberry and marine algae help to minimise the redness. This blemish gel is a clear gel and it's very, very lightweight, so it absorbs very easily onto the skin and is perfect both morning and night. So apply it twice a day on your cleansed skin. Yes, you can use it under makeup and keep that breakout under control. You can get your Image Skincare Clear Cell Clarifying Salicylic Blemish Gel at skinmart.com.au.